Welcome to the Institute of Information Technology and Management, where academic excellence and modern amenities meet together. IITM aims to be a center of excellence promoting value-based quality education in the domains of IT, management, journalism, and mass communication with A grade accredited by NAC. Let's explore what makes our campus a perfect place for your educational journey. Nestled amidst tranquil greenery, our campus is designed to inspire and facilitate holistic development through academic vigor and nurturing thinking skills. Our centrally air-conditioned classrooms, equipped with necessary electronic gadgets, are designed to foster an interactive learning experience. State-of-the-art ICT peripherals ensure a conducive environment for academic pursuits. The centrally air-conditioned library isn't just a repository of books. It's a cornerstone of academic enrichment where students delve into diverse subjects supported by a vast collection of resources. The centrally air-conditioned computer labs are equipped with cutting-edge technology to facilitate students getting hands-on experience essential to hone their skills. Students in BAJMC benefit from state-of-the-art audio-video studios equipped with industry-standard equipment for hands-on learning in media production and broadcasting. From shotgun mics for capturing crisp audio in interviews to lavalier mics perfect for discreetly capturing dialogue in studio settings, our goal is to ensure you understand the nuances of each audio type and confidently select the right tool for any production scenario. Moving on to video production, a cornerstone of our curriculum is mastering the art of multi-camera setups. This video mixer setup allows seamless integration of multiple camera feeds, enabling you to create dynamic, engaging content with professional polish. Our dedicated broadcast monitors ensure that every frame meets the highest standards of clarity and color accuracy. In our photography setup, you will learn the fundamental principles of lighting through the 3-point lighting technique. Mac Cafe, featuring Apple iMac systems, is an ideal place to enhance video editing skills using Final Cut Pro. The iMac's powerful performance and Retina display provide a smooth editing experience, perfect for both beginners and professionals looking to bring their creative ideas into life. Welcome to our dedicated graphic design lab, where creativity meets technology to shape the future of print media. Here, students learn to harness the power of industry-standard software such as Adobe InDesign for layout design, Adobe Photoshop for image editing, CorelDRAW and Adobe Illustrator for vector graphics, all essential for creating scalable and precise designs. Stay connected with campus-wide free Wi-Fi, empowering students to access knowledge and collaborate effortlessly. Encouraging meaningful discourse and exhibiting students' talent, our auditorium can accommodate up to 250 students and host a variety of lectures, conferences, and cultural events. Our institute also have a separate room for yoga and meditation to help you unlock your hidden potential. The campus canteen is a vibrant space where students unwind, socialize, and rejuvenate in a lively atmosphere. The Institute of Information Technology and Management offers a diverse range of programs, including AICTE-approved MBA, MCA, BBA, BCA, and GGSIP University-sponsored BCom Honors and BAJMC, all designed to meet standards stipulated in the new education policy, all rooted in our commitment to deliver value-based quality education. We have a team of highly qualified faculty, several of them good mentors with industry experience dedicated to nurture academic excellence skills and leadership qualities. Our workshops in different domains of management and emerging technologies equip students with essential skills for the future. Regular field visits to varied industries including established media organizations like Dainik Jagran, India TV, Red FM, Outlook, NDTV India etc., are organized to enable the student to gain first hand experience. Whether you aspire to excel in information technology, business management, or make media, our campus is your launchpad for a successful career and a fulfilling life. Embark on your journey to academic excellence, skills, and leadership at the Institute of Information Technology and Management.